Hello friends, a very good afternoon to everyone. I hope you're enjoying this day. It's raining often, so with hot dishes, I'm going to make your day special. So today I'm here with a very familiar recipe again. This is South Indian recipe. It's called Sambar Sadam, one pot Sambar Sadam, Sambar rice. For that, let's see all the ingredients that I have taken. I have taken tur dal here. 2 small glasses of tur dal I have taken here. This is tur dal, the dal we use for making sambar. I have taken this 2 glasses and I have soaked this for half an hour. And I have taken 3 cups of rice that we use daily. I have soaked this too. Now I have taken vegetables of my choice. You can use any vegetables of your choice. I have taken drumstick here. You can see this. I have taken raw banana. This is raw banana. This is brinjal. And this is lady's finger. Now I have taken some carrots also here. It has gone down. I have taken radish here. This is radish. And this is carrots here. So I have taken avraka. I have taken. You can see this too. Avraka, murunka, vendakka, then carrot, mullangi, varaka. So many vegetables I have taken of my choice. You can take of your choice. Anything you wish you can take. For the sambar sadam, there must be at least 4 to 5 vegetables, different types of vegetables. Then only the rice will be very good. Hot rice when we serve, when we eat with the vegetables, it will be very good. I have taken a cup of small shallots, sambar vengayam. I have taken 2 big size of tomatoes. I have chopped it roughly. For that, all the masalas: turmeric powder, chili powder, asafoetida powder. This is perungayam. This I have taken. Salt I have taken. I have taken a small lemon size of tamarind. I have soaked this in water. And I have taken sambar powder here. So, in one clean pan, we will mix all the items that I have taken here and kept. First, we will add the dal. As you can see this, I have added the dal, soaked tur dal, and I have added the rice in this. Now to this, I am adding the onions, shallots, tomatoes. I am adding all the vegetables that I have taken and kept. Vegetables are very good for health, but we usually don't use vegetables. So with this type of rice, we can take these vegetables. It will be very tasty. You can just try this at home. The simple, easy recipe that I am sharing today. One pot sambar sadam. Children will like it. With all the smashed vegetables, the rice and tur dal, it will be very good to eat. I am adding the tamarind too. 1 small lemon size of tamarind I have taken and kept here. I am adding that too here. Now I am using a little bit of asafoetida powder. Maybe 1 full tablespoon you can take this. And 3/4 of turmeric powder I have taken here. I have added 1 tablespoon full tablespoon of chili powder here. Then to this I am going to add salt, 1 full tablespoon, and again 1 full tablespoon I am going to use in this. We will be checking for the seasoning. at last. And to this I will add the sambar powder, Achi or any brand you can take, it's your wish. I'll tell you how much we are going to use this. With this teaspoon I added 6 tablespoons of sambar powder. Now give a nice mix to this, then we will be adding the water. I have given a nice mix, you can see this. I have not on the flames, have to give a nice mix, then we are going to add the water. One full liter, and then 1.5 liter totally I am going to use in this. I added 1.5 liters of water here. Now you can see this, how lovely it is. I've added all the vegetables, drumstick, brinjal, radish, lady's finger, raw banana. So now we will lit up the stove. We will cover this pan and give at least 5 to 6 whistles. Then we will give a tarka after the rice has been cooked with the vegetables. We will wait till 5 to 6 whistles. Now after 7 whistles, I gave 7 whistles. I have taken all the pressure from the pressure cooker. Now we will open this. Now see my sambar sadam, how it has come. Beautifully it has cooked. All the vegetables. Now we will give a tarka to this. Let's give a tarka. I'll keep a small kadai and give a tarka. I have kept a small pan. Now let my pan get heated up. We will add the oil. Pan is heated. Going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil here. Now let this be heated. Now for the tarka, I have taken mustard seeds here. This is kadugu. Taken mustard seeds, curry leaves, dry red chili, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and a little bit of again asafoetida powder I have taken here. Perungayam. Oil is heated here. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds to this. Let's add the curry leaves. A pinch of asafoetida powder I am adding to this, and I will be adding the dry red chili. We will add into the sambar rice. I added this in the sambar rice. Give a nice mix. I will serve this in a bowl, and then we will be adding the ghee for the final touch. I have served this in a bowl. Now to this we will add the ghee. Mine is looking yummy. 1 pot sambar sadam. You will love to eat. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Have a nice day. Bye.